I have decided to try 6 Linux distros to see how quickly a noob with some technical knowledge can get them installed, updated and running a game on Steam with a controller. Stick around to find out how I get on with the current distro and be sure to subscribe to see the rest. Alright then, welcome. We are now going to try and install Void Linux. Yeah, and I've got lots more options on this one. This is going to be interesting. What does RAM mean? Let's get on with it. I like the icon. Got no idea what to expect on this one. I do have some instructions that I can follow on this one though, because I hear it's quite difficult. Yeah. So root and then void Linux. Is that going to work? Oh, I'm guessing. Are we there now? It says to start the installation, please type void-installer. INST. Oh, hello. Got a mouse. I haven't got a mouse. Welcome to the Void Linux installation, a simple and minimal Linux distribution made from scratch and built from the source package tree available for XBPS, a new alternative binary package system. The installation should be pretty straightforward. If you're in trouble, please join us on IRC. How old is this? Right, okay, so, okay, this is similar or familiar. So, system keyboard is EN. Actually, I think it is. My actual keyboard is US. This is why I was having some trouble with it before. EN. That'll do. And then network. I think that's fine. Source installation. Local or network. Base system only. Download from official repository. That takes longer, doesn't it? Let's just do that for now. And then host name is just call it void. Time zone. Can I just type in U or G? No, can't. Europe. Oh, I see, right, okay, London. Where's London? There we are. That'll do. User account, I'm going to do Mo. Make sure this is Mo and not No. Display name, Mo. Password. What? What's all this then? I'm guessing it's permissions. Okay, well, we're just going to stick with the default. Partition disks. I'm going to do it on that one. Easy to use. CF disk will be executed in dist SDA. Okay, we are going to do that. That's fine. That's good. We've got EFI, got boot. So how do we go do it? Wait, what? That one. Okay. Install. Root password has not been configured. Please do so before starting. Where's the root password? Oh, there. Okay. The disk to install the bootloader has not been configured. Please do so before starting the installation. This is where I can screw things up now, isn't it? Partition. We want to use that one. SDA. Okay. Oh, have we got to write it? So if we do... Wait, it's SDA 3. Wait, what? Write partition table to disk. This might destroy data. So I think what this is doing is this is on SDA. So do I have to write that to the disk? Yes. Type yes. And then do we write that to the disk? This is where I'll screw everything up now, isn't it? And then we're going to go write that one to the disk. Yes. So I'm not sure if it's doing it for each line or whether it's what I'm seeing in the script on the screen is what I'm writing to the disk. So then we'll go quit. Right. Okay. Now start installation. So the disk to install the bootloader has not been configured. Please do so before installation. Bootloader. That one. Use the graphical terminal for bootloader. Yeah, why not? Start. Mount point for the root system has yet to be configured. Wait, what? File system and mount points. Oh, here we go. We're going to stick that on SDA 3. Oh, where did that go up? We're going to do ext4 mount point. Do you want to create a new file system for that? Yes, I think I do. No, I don't. Are we done? Install. EFI has not been configured. Please create it as FAT32 mount point. Right. Okay. Please specify the mount point for dev SDA3. I'm just going to make something up. Is that going to work? Yes. Done. Mount system for root. Wait, what? It's got to be that. So the EFI system partition has not been configured. Please create it as FAT32 mount point bit. Ah, okay. So if we go to here, oh wait. What did it say? I need to read what it says again. I'm going to go to install. So it's boot EFI is the mount point. Okay. So we go to here, and then we're going to go on to here. It says FAT32. There's no FAT. Oh, it's there. And we're going to go boot EFI. Yes. Done. Install. Warning, data on partition. Yes. I didn't set up home, did I? Oh well. It's doing something. There's certainly variation when it comes to Linux installs, right? Got no idea if this is going to work. Do any of you use Void specifically for gaming? If so, let me know. And would you say this is more difficult than Arch? Again, let me know. Oh, hello. Select services to enable. Okay. I think I'm just going to go with the default again. Don't think there's anything on there. Okay. It's been. Oh wait. Okay. So it's been installed successfully. Let's reboot. See if I can catch BIOS before we go past it. Make sure it doesn't boot into Windows. Oh no. There you go. Void grub. That's what it would have booted into. Perfect. Okay. So need to escape. Or exit. Oops. Why is it not letting me exit? There you go. So that's going to boot. That's going to boot into Void. I didn't get to select a desktop environment though. Huh. Oh, it's doing something. Huh. Okay, so we're logged in. With sudo. I am copying this off of instructions. So that's the package manager, and go install. And then actually that's similar to SYU sync and update. What was that from? That's from Arch, isn't it? So please run xb. We might need to do sudo actually. Sudo xbps -install -update xbps. Yes. Okay. So now we can do that one, right? So I'm assuming it's pulling this from somewhere. Yeah, it must be pulling it from Tinternet. So I'm just going to type away what how to install. Hang on. How to install KDE on Void Linux. Okay. Alright, so apparently there's only KDE 5. Let's see if that works. Because there doesn't seem to be a desktop environment, does it? It's all in CLI. Okay, so for this one we need to do sudo xbps -install and then -S, and it's as simple as KDE 5 base apps and then SDDM. And yes, pipewire install message. Okay, that's a lot. Oh, I see Plasma there. Yeah, I see some KDE, KF. I wonder if the reboot command is just reboot. I'm pretty sure somebody said something in the comments about how to reboot on Arch. Oh, I can't remember what it was now. On Fedora, it's just reboot. It's brilliant. Really easy. Oh, breeze icons, that rings a bell. I don't think I've ever used KDE 5 though. I've only ever, KDE 6 was my first experience of KDE. Don't know how different it's going to be. Oh, there we go. So is it just reboot? Unable to create that. Access denied. So sudo reboot. Hey, let's go. Now I'm going to assume it's going to boot straight back in. Actually, I'm going to press delete just in case. Oh, hang on, no, that's good. So in theory, this should boot into KDE, right? Void login. Okay, that doesn't look like that's not done it, is it? Do I have to do an update for those? Is that right? They're already installed, okay. So what was the thing for update again? It was that. Oh, it's minus small u. I don't know if that makes a difference. They're all up to date, okay. What if we just type KDE 5? No, okay. Let's go to Google. How to launch KDE on Void. Okay, so we've done all that. Done that. So it's telling me that I need to do sudo xbps install and then suv and then KDE-plasma and xorg. We'll get all that installed. Oh, so when you see Adobe, I think that's fonts. Oh, hang on. Got to enable services. Derp. I'm a derp. Oops. Hopefully this hasn't screwed it up. See, you got to follow the instructions, because if you don't follow all of the steps, like I've done on several of these videos, I've failed to follow the steps. My brain goes off somewhere else before So like, I can't remember which one it was. I did step 2 and then completely skipped step 3, which was to do the update. Went on a massive journey around the houses and then finally worked out that I needed to update it, and then went back and looked at the instructions, and step 3 was to update. So if I'd have just done that, if I'd have just followed those steps, everything would have been golden. So I'm going to keep following the steps. So now I need to do sudo, I think that's in, or was it ln? I don't know if that's ln or in. I'm guessing it's ln because it'll be lowercase, right? -s / etc. SV. I don't think there is an SV, is there? DBus. Oh, there is, yeah. And then space, and then variable. I think that's what that means, isn't it? Service. And then the same again, but this time SDDM service. And then, right, now we do oh, let's go. So read the instructions is the top tip. Mouse works, nice. Right, so now if we go to here and then go console and then right click on there and go pin to task manager, and we're just going to open that up, make it a bit bigger so you guys can see what's going on. So now we want to do the graphics card stuff. So apparently Void does include Mesa, so maybe we don't need to do this. So what shall we do? So we need to add the repo, which is sudo xbps -install -s, guessing that's for sync, and you've got void repo multi-lib. Let's make that a bit longer so you guys can see what's going on. Multi-lib, and then space void repo multi-lib non-free. Okay, that's a good sign. It's 2.5 gig. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. And then we've got to do the 32-bit. So xbps-install -s Mesa drivers, I'm guessing, 32-bit, and the Vulkan loader. Yes, cool. Now this should allow us to install Steam. So sudo xbps-install. That's really long. I would change that. -s Steam. It's not in the repository. So do I need to do an update? I think I probably do, don't I? So it's sudo xbps -syu. Oh, I've done that really wrong. That's really bad. Dash install. I'm wondering if I need to reboot actually. Let's try reboot. Oh, it's gone green screen again. Don't know why it does that. Don't go to Windows. Don't go to Windows. Oh no, it didn't. It was the grub, wasn't it? Oh, there we go. That's working. Nice. Okay, so that's good. So then we go sudo xbps-install install. Wait. What was it? -s Steam. Okay, so it's not finding it there. So I must be missing a repo. Let me Google that. Which void Linux repo for Steam? Right, so it says to install Steam on void Linux, you must first enable the void repo non-free. Okay, so sudo xbps install -s v void repo non. I thought I did that already. Maybe I didn't. Yay! Here we go. Here we go. Is this it? Have we done it? And then Steam. Oh. I like the fact that it's just dropped an icon on the desktop. That's nice. Oh, there's no audio. Right, bear with me. Right, so there we go. We got that loaded up. Let's go to the library. And then we're doing Machina, isn't it? Machina. So we'll do that. And I'll see if I can fix the audio as well. Okay, so we go install. It's installing. So whilst it's doing that, we're going to go, oh, we can't do it there. We have to open up a new one, won't we? New one, open a new window, sudo xbps install, and then we're going to do pipewire dash pulse, and then pipewire dash pulsar. Typed it in wrong. Okay, so pipewire is already installed, so why have we got no audio? Just going to search on Google, connect. I'm guessing it's a service I just need to start, but I don't know what the service is called. Connection to sound. Oh, it'll be just pipewire, surely. Sound service lost. To resolve a lost connection to the sound service on Void Linux, restart the pipewire services by running. Right, let's see if we get the game running first. It's doing something. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Ubuntu? So that didn't work. Let's try experimental. I don't think that's going to work either. Right, let's try now. Okay, so that's not working at all, is it? Go back to instructions. Right, okay, so AMD, so install a performance tool. So it's telling me about performance tools, telling me about AMD setup, but it's not telling me about why that might not be starting. We were making such good progress as well. Steam on, so I'm typing in how to launch Steam on Void Linux. So it wants me to do all the free stuff. There's a bunch of libraries that it wants. So let's try that. Let's get these libraries. So make that bigger so you can see what's going on. So sudo xbps-install. So we've done the repos. So it's lib gcc. What's that? gcc-32-bit already installed. Okay. So then we've got lib drm 32-bit. I bet that's already installed as well. Yeah. And then we've got lib vnd. Don't know what that is. And also 32-bit already installed. Oh, let's try and make sure that the void repo multi lib non-free is already installed. Let's just make sure everything's updated. So it's okay. So that's everything updated. Cool. So I wonder if I don't need to do anything for the GPU. So let's try one of the libraries. Lib. We've done that one. GCC, didn't we? We did. What about this? Lib STDC. STDC plus minus 32-bit. That looks like it's going to error. That's not a plus, is it? That's it equals. It's already installed. So all of this stuff's already installed. Okay, so it must be something to do with wine then. I know what we can try. Now, obviously I've said in previous videos that I prefer to use the native Steam, but will this be better served with Flatpak? So we'll install Flatpak. Installed update configure. Right, so will that be? Do I need to do the update again? Might have to reboot. Let's hold up. That's Dolphin. That's not what I wanted. Is this it? Carte? No, so it's not that. Is there no Discover on here? Okay, so there's no Discover. Right. In that case, we'll have to manually install Steam. Remote add, and then it's dash if not exists https flathub.org repo flathub.flatpak repo. Wait, what? Oh, org. Location must be specified. What does that even mean? Oh, I see. Right. Okay. So what I've done wrong there is that needs to say FlatHub just here. Okay, and then we need to do sudo flatpak install flathub com.valve software.steam. Should I close this Steam down first? How to uninstall on void. XBPS remove. So we'll do that first. That kind of so we're going to open a new window. So it's sudo XBPS. Let's shut it down here first. Exit. XBPS remove remove Steam. Okay, so that's done. And then what we can do is close that down, go to here, type yes, and do that. Although the icon's still there, did that just remove it and then add it back in again? Okay, now what happens if we do games? Wait, what? Cannot find program Steam. Okay, wait, what? Oh no! Oh no! So it's gonna be a flat. Where do I launch the Flatpak version? Wait, what? So what happened? Let me just move that to the trash bin because that's confusing me. What if we just type in Steam in here? So it should be in the application menu here. So we just type in Steam. It's not, is it? So that's already installed. So what if we do? I don't think we need to run it as sudo, do we? So we do Flatpak and then run. Invalid ID FlatHub. Do what? Oh, duh. Yeah, okay, we've experienced that before, so we click OK on that one. I just noticed there's like a progress bar up the left side there, the little blue bar. I've never seen that before. Yay, right, okay, let's get logged in. Yay, let's go. Right, okay, library, Machina, install. Starting to download, let's go. Do we reckon it's going to work this time? So it's saying here that some Flatpak applications, including Steam, rely on DBus and Pulse audio, which may require additional setup on Void Linux. I'm still a little bit worried about that. Configure audio devices. Help. Help. Plasma widget. I don't know. What we got here? Okay, so that's a resolution. It's not even. Oh, the reason it's not seeing that is because it's plugged into my main PC. Yay! So that works. So that's good to know. Right, come on. Yes! Okay, so that's weird. Got no idea why that hasn't worked. Please put me out of my misery and tell me why it didn't work in the comments below. There you go. Stop the clock. Stop the clock. Yay! But we haven't got no sound, so it's not. I can't really say that it's done, can I? Because there is no sound. But yeah, I think that's enough. I'm not going to take that any further. I'm not going to be using Void Linux. I'm definitely not going to be swapping from Fedora over to Void, that's for sure. But there you go. That's Void Linux. It was a little bit harder than Arch, and I'm sure there will be a lot of issues with it if I was to continue to use this as my main daily driver, especially for gaming and stuff. I'd have to learn a lot. So yeah, is it harder than Arch? Yeah, it definitely feels like it is and will continue to be. So yeah, anyway, if you found that useful, please drop a comment below, and if not, then at least drop a emoji for the sake of engagement. That would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.